In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Jotform actions in Zapier. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or automate routine tasks, this guide will help you seamlessly integrate Jotform with Zapier, creating effortless connections between your favorite apps. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Jotform. Once you're on the Jotform homepage, if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. Signing up is free and straightforward, but if you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Jotform dashboard and identify the form you would like to work with. Click on that form to access its settings. Inside the settings, look for the Integrations tab. This is where you'll be able to connect other applications seamlessly. Type Zapier into the search bar and hit Enter. Once Zapier shows up in the results, select it and click on Connect. This allows you to link your Jotform account with Zapier. Now it's time to switch over to Zapier. Head to your Zapier dashboard, where you'll see an option to Create Zap. Click on this button to start building your automation process. As you begin creating your Zap, you'll need to select a trigger app. In this case, search for and select Jotform. This will serve as the trigger for your automation. Upon selecting Jotform, Zapier will prompt you to log in and authorize access to your Jotform account. This step ensures that Zapier can securely access the data from your forms. Once you've authorized Zapier, you'll return to the trigger settings in Zapier. Here, choose a trigger event, such as New Submission, so any new form submitted will trigger the automation you've set up. The next step involves choosing the app and action you want your trigger to activate. You might want to send new form responses to Google Contacts or record them in a Google Sheet. Pick whichever app suits your needs and connect your account for that application. For example, if you're working with Google Sheets, you'll be prompted to link your Google account to Zapier. With both your trigger and action set up, it's time to test the Zap. Testing is crucial as it ensures everything is working as anticipated. Zapier will guide you through the testing process, simulating the trigger event and confirming the action. Once you're satisfied with the results and everything looks good, go ahead and turn on your Zap. Turning it on will activate automation, running it every time your trigger event occurs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a Zap using Jotform's new actions in Zapier. This powerful integration will help you save time and reduce manual data entry, leaving you free to focus on more important tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to explore further and see what other automations you can create.